If your zoom presets look smooth on one clip but broken on another clip, or your text animation moves to the wrong spot when you apply your preset, then your Premiere Pro presets are not professional. In this video, I will show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it. Today we're talking about two of the most common presets problems in Premiere Pro: camera zooms and text animations. And more importantly, how to build presets that works every time like a professional editor. So let's do it. Alright, so the first issue is the camera zoom. So alright, let me take this sequence. Let's say we have this footage and I'm just gonna do like a camera zoom. So go to transform, there you go, drag it and drop it here. And I'm just gonna do like scale. So I'm just gonna put the first keyframe here and then scale it to like 124. Alright, and we're gonna do like easy in. Alright, let me make it a little bit smooth, and it's good. And now we're gonna save presets. So most people do like, they just write their preset camera zoom, let's name it, and they just hit OK. Alright, let me see our camera zoom for the last time. I'm just gonna put 1:4 so my PC doesn't get slow. So alright, so let me drag another footage. Go to effects, the preset that we just made right now. So here we go, we drag it and drop it here. So let's see. As we can see it feels longer. If we focus here, it's not the same camera zoom we did here. Alright, this took like 3-4 seconds. Let's see this one, more than 4 seconds. So why this happens? Just because this clip, this sequence is longer than this sequence. Premiere Pro just compressed that. So what should we do to fix this? Go to our preset we made, and when we save our preset, we just change to anchor to point in point. What this do, it just makes your preset start from the beginning of the clip, and anchor to out point just starts from the end of your clip, but it just keeps the same camera zoom that you put it in your video. The same presets you made, the same length, everything the same. So let's change it and try to put anchor to end point. Transform preset, there we go. I just forget to name it, but let's bring out transform presets and see what happens. So the same, all right, just the camera is being shaky. I'm just going to put it here. Let's just try from this sequence, and boom, the problem is fixed. So just make sure when you save your presets, just put anchor to end point. So the second issue is text animation presets. When you make text animation preset and you drag your preset to the sequence, it just jumps to the wrong place. The text, I'm just going to make my preset shows it. Just hit transform and we drag and drop it here. We do our animation. So the most important here, just use anchor to point keyframe. Let's say I'm just going to make it here, and then we should make sure to hit reset on position and on scale, especially on position. We just make sure to put reset on all of them, especially position. So I'm gonna try to save my presets, put anchor to end point since I want it in the beginning of the sequence. 3. Alright, text animation 3. And then I have my text here. As you can see, we don't have any animation. And let's try to put it here. Go to presets, go to the preset I just made. And then let's make sure we zoom in, start of the clip. We have our position here, and drag our presets, and there you have it. no more issue. And there you go, your animation is good, everything's good, it didn't change, and especially your text didn't jump. That's it guys for today. I hope this video helped you. I hope your problems are fixed now. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Peace.